Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high of almost $123K this Monday, but here's the strange part. No one seems to be celebrating. And yet, the charts are bullish, altcoins are pushing higher, and the market feels steady. So, what's really going on with Bitcoin right now? And what could this mean for the months ahead? Before we dive in, remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto asset, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, Bitcoin has officially broken its previous record, hitting $122,900. Since then, we've seen some minor consolidation, but overall sentiment remains constructive. Many altcoins are showing strength and there's no sign of panic or overheating, but here's where it gets interesting. Nick, co-founder of Coin Bureau, recently posted on X and described this as the least eventful ATH break ever. In a detailed thread, he outlined 6 key reasons why this time is completely different from past cycles. Let's break them down. First, funding costs. Futures markets aren't overheated. Funding rates are at normal levels. That suggests this rally is being powered by spot buyers, not leveraged traders. Second, volatility is low, the lowest of the year. In fact, implied volatility for Bitcoin options is now even lower than the S&P 500 in some cases. That's incredibly rare for an ATH environment. Third, supply is tight. The amount of liquid BTC on exchanges has been dropping for over a year and a half. That's a strong sign that long-term holders are accumulating. Fourth, retail is missing. Search trends for Bitcoin are low. Coinbase and Robinhood aren't topping App Store charts like they did in previous bull runs. It's eerily quiet. Fifth, macro conditions. Unlike 2021 when stimulus checks flooded the markets, US interest rates are still above 4%. We haven't even seen a true liquidity wave, and yet Bitcoin is climbing. Sixth, no mania, no laser eyes, no frenzy, no mass FOMO. That may sound bearish, but Nick sees it as a massive positive, because when retail euphoria does show up, it could take BTC much higher. So what does this mean? In short, Bitcoin looks strong. The foundation of this bull cycle appears more sustainable than in the past. And if broader participation returns later in the year, we could be looking at an even bigger wave ahead. Now switching gears, let's talk about something totally different, Bitcoin Hyper. While Bitcoin is rock solid as a store of value, it's often criticized for its limited functionality. That's where Bitcoin Hyper comes in. Built using the Solana virtual machine, Bitcoin Hyper acts as a Layer 2 extension for BTC, enabling real DeFi, DEX trading and fast smart contract use, all while staying anchored to Bitcoin's network. It does this by wrapping BTC and bridging it into a parallel high-performance chain, making it actually usable in modern Web3 ecosystems. And it's powered by the Hyper token, which covers governance, staking, and network utility. The presale is already gaining traction, over $2.3 million raised. And with staking yields of over 320% APY, early interest is surging. Staking begins instantly after purchase, and the next price hike is right around the corner. You'll find the link in the description. And if you're serious about crypto in 2025, you need a secure, flexible, and feature-packed wallet. Best Wallet is our top choice. Non-custodial, no KYC, and built for both presale hunters and long-term holders. Check it out in the description. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell.